Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DWM.exe crash on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now to fix it, type in control panel in Windows search box and then open control panel. Now go to program. Under program here you can see uninstall a program, click on it. Now find NVIDIA driver over here. So here you can see NVIDIA graphics driver. So make a right click and then click on uninstall. Click on yes. And let the uninstall complete. So click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, here you can see restart now. So make sure that you restart your computer. So click on restart now and restart your computer. Now after the system restart, go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. So go to NVIDIA website and then select the right product type. So if you have GeForce, select GeForce. Now select the right product series. So make sure that you select your graphic card over here. So for me it's 30 series. Now select the right graphic card. So whichever graphic card you have, select your graphic card over here. Now if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11 and then click on start search and then scroll down, and over here you can see GeForce Game Ready driver, not the studio but GeForce Game Ready driver. Now this is the latest one right now, that is driver version 546.33. So whichever is the latest, click on get download and then click on download now. And once the download is complete, you have to run this exe file. So let the download complete. Once done, click on the exe file and then you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then put a check on the box which says custom. So select custom over here and then click on next. Then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next and let the installation complete. First of all, it will uninstall the previous version and then it will do a clean installation of the latest version, and after this restart your computer and then launch the game. So once the installation is done, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. So after the system restart, you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.